Yeah man, a dog face Rasta culture man. And a dog of my age is not a pup. Remember me tell you that.
Woof, woof, woof. Me, till him dead. And me want to see him one did all when him dead and me and him alone. And the old man and them people then come help him out. Well, I see him way up that me have to come back to Port Anthony. The old grandmother give me a house. Eh? I will tell you that.
Pussy trash. So where's the wrestler? All when war go on now, where them people have to eat and something. Because all me see them a eat a concrete, you know, because being see me them a dig them from that broke down building. You know?
Yeah, because Israel claim say they have Gaza got tunnel where Hamas got secret weapon and commander squad will lead to Israel and attack. So them a try to get rid of the basement them underground where Hamas built. And them a do years of study of that and them something there. And them a try them best to get rid of Hamas. But Hamas a get support somewhere. Same place in America. Hamas a get support. Listen, it's on America, England, France and then country and German. And down in the Middle East, I just like in the Eastern, like Russia and then country they got them sides up there. That means that Hamas a get it from somewhere. Either get it from Iran or somewhere, or Russia or China or somewhere. Or same place in America, them are let from go back there. People are not idiots. You have to look into things.
Me have to just listen to you talk and show me have a clue and you say you have a clue.
You better have a clue. Remember say Gaza don't listen now. Gaza is a country don't independent. You know?
Yeah.
Palestine is independent. You know?
So who are they support?
Israel. Rasta culture. Yeah. This is more on culture, but I know it because we see some changes in the world that we have to talk about it because we have a YouTube channel and from where they don't really push on it.
The man never fight for power. The man never fight for power.
This is more on power. We don't know how we world are heading to. Because we see Gaza fling vessel and Israel react back and people have said this and people have said that and China screeching saying one back Taiwan and all them places. So
what make you think?
We see what going on and we know what going on and from there we don't really push out nothing and people might face we're on a hole, really they're on a hole less, but we see what going on. So we talk about something what going on because this are changes.
But what you think they might fight for down there?
The first thing never fight the region because China said they want back Taiwan because Taiwan is not an independent nation from China.
Yeah.
It's just for a while.
Yeah.
They appreciate the democracy in Taiwan.
Yeah.
So I must say Taiwan people are still Chinese.
Yeah.
There's not really wrong with that. But
so that cause from China?
Yeah. Because from 1949 Taiwan born.
Yeah.
When the communist China take over China itself. Control the capital of China, 1949.
Yeah.
When the big, massive, democratic China have to flee. Who not agree with the communists have to flee back to neighboring land like Taiwan. Because Taiwan was like a wild place, you understand? So in 1949 they
So
banned.
that has something to do with Gaza Strip and the other country,
Alright, that's a 1949 because we have to do mathematics. Because we love mathematics. Because we do mathematics, they have food on earth. You understand what I say? So, alright, hear what I say now. The Gaza and the Israel thing are before 1949.
Yeah, a long time them have fight.
That's from before King David. I remember say David Goliath a Palestine, you know, and David a Israeli. So at 3,000 years. But that's cool, you know, bad man. I want to hear man, think we don't like that. Yeah, idiot, nobody can fool the parent, man. I must be one fool themselves, man. That's why I'm telling you, I believe in a culture, I mean, I believe in a religion, I mean, I believe in a philosophy, I believe in a reality.
Yeah. Wagwan,
no.
Yeah.
The present thing, no, we have to talk about.
Yeah.
Because them before never set an example of truth and positive and real. Them do a thing to suit themselves. They mess up the thing. So if we come now and follow them guidelines, we mess up too. We have to switch back the right down with the wrong there and correct it for the next generation to come fight.
I know, man, but you know, it's the third world people not see what them are fight for.
Third world people are sell out.
Yeah, but you have some people who know exactly what them are fight. Powers them are fight for. You know?
Yes, gonna control a region.
Yeah, so even the one we under pressure now will start the war. You understand me? And the other one are bombing. You understand me?
Gaza claims Palestine. After King David had 3,000 years ago, you know, and Palestine up to Israel and long time because they claim for them.
But
Me and you not have a clue how the paper designed before King David. We just work off our way.
Israel is something real something, you know, man.
Yes.
Israel, Rasta look up to Israel, you know.
Yeah, but Israel is not with Rasta. Rasta have nothing to do with
Yeah,
Israel.
but what may I say? Israel king and Israel.
That was a song, you know, have nothing to do.
Yeah,
Alright,
man.
but you know, no, sir. No. You don't have no document for that. Wait there. No, man, a song that, man, that's a man sing a song, sing foolish, man. No, Rasta something born in Jamaica, 1929. You know.
Yeah, but me is an Israelite, you know.
You call yourself Israelite.
Yeah, put out the black with the white man.
Nobody not take nothing the way we have, man. I will sell out myself. Reggie, nobody not take nothing the way we have. I will sell out myself for food.
Sell out to a war.
No war.
Black man.
No war.
Black man are nice.
No war.
Black people
No war.
are
When you
good.
understand himself,
Oh.
in Ben Laden, I'm sell out himself.
Of course, them Ben Laden no work for the Americans. Ben Laden was Saddam work for the Americans. Them working for the Americans. Then that me tell you say you have to. Bad man. No.
And a man accidentally turned against
I can't talk to you because you don't really understand
You
this.
work with a man and you suddenly turn against
Yeah, then nothing, man. That's an earth run. That's an earth run. You work with
I
me.
think I see him here, then turn against us too.
Nobody not turn against we, murder. Our people sell we out to the white man for food. We don't want to hear what nobody say. I saw it go. We are serious. No white man couldn't run it up.
But hear me now, you see.
A black man catch black man sell them for food.
Black man,
Can't tell me nothing.
Black man.
Make me debate back for we
What
argument
prove
we
you
about.
after that?
Then there's a issue come on and just 40 and 50.
Prove you after it?
I'm going to tell you what proof you have to. First, no, I'm not dealing with that. First, I just 50 and 40 white man could have got Africa
hear
on
me
the
now,
board.
door slam. That's why you hear me not talk, you know. Cause you say if you are talk, me make you talk. You say if the Rasta talk, me make you talk. Because we can't take the...
Contradict the one.
Yeah.
But hear what me I say now. You say, in a slavery, when Portuguese I got Africa to slave,
Yeah.
I want 5 vote all of them, I want 4. And a 40 and 50 white man, the most upon 1.
Yeah.
So when 200 white man couldn't go Africa go run down, black people catch them picture.
No, me know that, man. Black man a strong man where he...
I'm tell you
listen
bad
me
man,
now.
man. Yeah, idiot,
No
man.
white man now left...
A tribe, say no tribe.
Listen to me, I said, no white man can't left go Africa go catch no black man. Black man chest broad like the chop man, you know. Black man take you and broke every...
What do you, man?
Now when they were load and bust shot under your blood clot, you walk up to him.
No gun never did in days, man.
Rasta, we
No
don't
gun
want
never
no
did in days, man. No gun never did in days. No gun never did in days. No gun never did in days, man. No gun never did
Rasta,
in
you can't
days.
talking about we don't want a bad word, because we have by that.
No gun never did in days, Rasta. No gun never did.
The white man to come in and use and invade Africa.
No gun never.
Why me can't get that talk still, but may I listen, you know.
Invade America. Why is it have to get this step and bam?
Rasta, I don't few arguments here, because you have no facts proof to what you say. I talk something where the world can relate to. I understand.
So what you say now, do Islam?
We have to go back to Gaza and with Israel.
Yeah. Because what go on now,
No, we are
and here
talking
what, innocent people are
Are
dead.
dead,
And
both two sides.
That's why we are talking about it. Because innocent people are dead.
And them helpless.
Yes.
Them can't do nothing towards what
Not
go on.
at all, more than just...
So where is the head of the world we can do something to what go on?
Why, the head of the world, you know, in the right there, you know, but me no know
That mean
what.
the head of the world I do it.
Yeah, me no know. Me can't say.
Because
me have to
Israel
approve.
against
You
support.
know, so we have to approve to what we are talking
Me
about.
have proof to what me
Yeah,
I say.
but
So
that's,
hear what me I
that's
say.
why me have to listen to your talk.
Listen why me have
Because me no
proof.
have no proof.
Israel are the closest ally to America in the Middle East.
Yeah.
Democracy, whether America are its same one that Israel by the Jews. So Israel's biggest support is America and England. Because Israeli people, you know, we call themselves Jews, you know. And England give Israel independent, you know.
Yeah.
That's why they speak English and I highlight to the Americans. So they might say democracy. So anything Israel wants to defend himself, the Americans have to give. Because if the Americans are give, the Americans are going to
Where
fall.
war start again from? Because I know it's a go on. No, where it start from now?
It starts from now.
After what?
Since the election in America 3 months ago.
Yeah.
I remember I said 2 years ago or a year ago, peace was in the Middle East.
Yeah.
The government changed in America and new policy come. Somebody in this administration support Gaza with support when they can get money to buy vessels through some trust fund,
Yeah.
some organization. So the level of peace so did I get because from the King David days,